Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting GPU in runtime settings. Do that now. Once done, run NVIDIA SMI to see the GPU model and driver version so you know what Cuda release will work. You must install a Cuda toolkit that matches the driver, otherwise you break compatibility. So check the driver number, then plan the toolkit install. I'm guiding you through the single reliable path. Verify hardware, confirm driver, then install the matching Cuda toolkit. Now install the Cuda toolkit that matches your driver. If the driver supports Cuda 11x, pick that release. Run the apt-get commands or the Colab-friendly install script for that exact version and wait for the package step to finish. This may take a few minutes. Once installed, export path and LD library path so Python packages find the toolkit. Then restart the runtime to load the new libraries. Make sure to restart, otherwise the notebook. Finally, verify the setup. Run NVCC version and NVIDIA SMI to confirm versions, then in Python import Torch and check Torch. Cuda is available and Torch. Cuda, get device name, 0. If you hit errors about missing libraries or incompatible versions, restart the runtime first, then reinstall the matching Cuda toolkit. Mismatched driver versus Cuda is the most common cause. Make sure to clear any cached kernels and rerun the notebook from the top after fixing versions to ensure a clean Cuda-enabled session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.